Welcome, welcome, boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be replacing the fog light assemblies on my dad's Dodge Challenger. I didn't ask too many questions, but what I get out of it is he used to have LEDs in the fog lights, and I don't know, they melted the inside or something, or they charred it, or it's rusted, or something, and he wants these replaced. So I didn't ask a whole lot of questions, but I do know that he put the 9005s that were in the town car as his fog lights, so now they're like ridiculously bright. But whatever, that's his deal. So per him, I'm to unscrew the bulb and reuse the bulbs because he's got these new fog lights, the whole assembly and everything that come with these bulbs, but they're probably cheap Chinese ones that he doesn't want in there. So we're gonna roll with the ones that are currently in there. So I think all I have to do is unscrew the bulb and pop this thing out. This thing is for the adjustment. We'll just assume that they're adjusted because I don't really think I want to adjust them any unless I pull the whole assembly out and then readjust it. But it would appear that, and these things are held in with what looks like, or at least on this one, 1, 2, 3 clips and then 2 little pegs, I guess. I'll have to pull the bulb out and get under there and see exactly. I have it currently jacked up on one side so I can slither under there, but we'll go inside and under the car and see what we need to do here. Alright, I'm under the car, but I'm going to have to go grab a light because I can't see shit. But it looks like this needs unscrewed, and he wants to keep all this wiring in there. It apparently goes to some lights he has mounted in the grill here. Some other auxiliary lighting. He goes kind of crazy on these lights, I think. So I will attempt to remove this without damaging anything. By rotating and pulling. Okay, hopefully you'll be able to see something, but I won't be able to have that screen anywhere where I can see it. So we have determined that these 2 screws up in here, if I can get some light. One up there, down in there, assuming you can see it. Those are 2 T20 Torx. So we're going to use the T20 Torx to remove those, and then it should just unclip and pop out through the front. So we'll see how that goes, I guess. Okay. If I can fit this damn thing up in here. If you guys can even see. Because it's pretty tight and I keep banging you into whatever the hell's right up above me. And there ain't much metal around here that I can attach my screen to except over there. I don't know what the hell this thing is, but it's all loosey-goosey. I think it's supposed to be up in here, but it's not very well attached. Whatever it is. It's like an air duct or something. I guess. I don't know what it is. Alright. So with those out, there should just be some clips. And then I think it just goes forward. Yep. Okay. Well, that was easy enough. What's his problem with this? Well, it does look a little melty in there. And, oh yeah. Yeah, okay, I see what his deal is. It's all melty and non-reflective. I'm going to assume the other one's the same then. Okay. Well, I'll go ahead and put the new one in. Okay, and with the new one, if we check our old screw here, there's nothing really in here that's threaded, but I guess this just kind of cuts its own threads into it. So, that'll be easy enough then. So this should just go in and clip in place. And then once it does, can get the rest of it situated there. Okay. Clipped in place. I have to go thread these back in. the bulb back in. Again, hopefully you guys can see. Since I can't tell if you can or not. I guess that one's in. Alright, I guess that's it. Can't see that at all. Oh, that's the new one. And that's the old one. Yeah, I guess I can see why you wanted that done. So I'll go ahead and replace this one next, and then call it a boom done. So how you remove your fog light assembly on your 2010 Dodge Challenger. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.